When bubbles burst, prepare for financial storms ahead.
You find that it's followed by really tough times. What's going to happen is the high flyers will probably come down a lot. The stocks that have gone up the most, AI and the more exciting stocks with the biggest moves, historically would be expected to come down the most. From these unprecedented levels, a 70% decline would not be unexpected.
So a 70% decline in the stock price?
Yeah. And you have to remember the tech bubble, the NASDAQ, which is an index of the growth stocks, came down 82%. It is far from unprecedented to have these major declines. It went up and up and up, and then it came down for 20 years.
20 years?
20 years. They talk about the lost decade, but when you look at it closely, it looks more like a lost 20 years.
So for the average person, what do they feel and how does it impact them when there's a market crash like the one that you're forecasting?
The high flyers will lay people off, and a lot of people will feel less rich. And as you acquire money in the stock market, a small fraction of that, 2 or 3%, is spent. And in reverse, it goes back. And people feel a little bit poorer, they spend a little less. So the economy tends to be under some stress. And if you look at the great bubbles breaking of the past, you find that it's followed by really tough times. 1929 is followed by the Great Depression that lasts for several years. But it started with the crash in the market, which was, in the end, down about 80% or more. The recession associated with that was just about the worst since the Depression.
So for the average person, what kind of strategy should they be adopting if you're not someone that has a huge amount of savings? Say you're working for one of these big companies. Are there any strategies that you should be thinking about now before the markets come down and there could be a recession?